What is a HELOC loan, and how can it work for you? A HELOC, or home equity line of credit, allows you to tap into the equity you've built in your home and use it as flexible funding for things like renovations, custom builds, debt consolidation, or investment opportunities. Unlike a traditional loan, a HELOC works more like a credit card. You borrow only what you need, pay interest only on what you use, and can access funds again as you pay it down. This flexibility makes a HELOC a powerful tool when used strategically, especially for homeowners looking to upgrade, invest, or manage cash flow more efficiently. Rates are typically variable, so it's important to understand how payments can change over time and how HELOC fits into your long-term financial plan. Your home loan should work for you. RichmondCustomHomes.com makes that happen. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Dwayne at coast2coastmold.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.